August 24, 2017, by Corinne Sanders. When somebody from Japan bought a mini drum and a set of sticks, they probably didn't expect to get such a strong reaction out of their pet bird when they started playing it. Well, not only did the adorable cockatiel seem to enjoy the beat, but the little guy also decided to join in on the fun. As soon as the cockatiel hears the sounds of drumming, it moves its body to the beat. Screenshot Daily Mail, then uses its own beak as a drumstick. Screenshot Daily Mail. Watch below as this duo rocks out together as one of the cutest bands ever.